What's up guys, it's me Eric B, and in this video we're going to be swapping out the exhaust finally, getting rid of that stock can, and from my other videos you guys are probably already guessing what I got. Alright, and what we're going to do is a unboxing of this exhaust so you can see what comes in the box, and then we'll do a install and then some revs and stuff so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, got here stuff. So it comes with some foam on it. There it is. Thing looks nice. Nice and lightweight too, so we'll see if we can get a weight comparison between the stock and the aftermarket one here. Okay, also in the box you'll get some instructions, some hardware and parts and stuff like that that you need in order to get the exhaust installed. Alright, so the instructions that come with this are pretty nice and they're actually pretty detailed and everything. So what you want to do first is remove this cover so we can reveal the exhaust valve cables, because you're going to want to remove those, and then also the muffler bolt. Alright, so as you can see here, the cables that go to the valve here, you want to untighten the two nuts right here in order to pull those off. We're going to untighten the muffler bolt, then we're going to take this bolt off here up top, and then we're going to be able to slide the muffler off. Alright, so I hope you guys can see this well, but it is going to require a 10mm wrench for this right here. Alright. Got those off. Now you go ahead and untighten this bolt down here. Alright, and your last step would be to get this bolt off. And now you should just be able to slide it right off. Just like so. Alright, so is there a weight difference between the two mufflers? Not a whole lot. They feel pretty similar in the hands, but let's go ahead and get it on the scale and see what they weigh. So here is the stock muffler. I don't know how well this screen shows up for you guys, but we got pretty much 4 pounds, 4 ounces. Go ahead and round it up. And for the akrapovic, I'm gonna add that on there. Alright, so we're saving a little bit of weight, so that's 4 pounds, almost 2 ounces. Okay, so my apologies, I actually read the scale incorrectly. The akrapovic exhaust is actually heavier than the stock exhaust by a few ounces. Alright, so now we're ready to install the aftermarket muffler, and then in the kit you're going to need to grab the supplied bracket here. You're going to place that right there. You're going to use the stock bolt that came with the original muffler, and then it also comes with a nut, because the nut on the stock muffler is encased in a little bracket that you can't remove, so the kit comes with one for you to install. Let's go ahead and add that on there, and I'm just going to keep this loose for right now, and then once you get ready to hang everything, you can tighten everything down to the torque that's in the instructions. Alright, before installing this, you're going to need to remove this cover. There's 2 little screws right here you need to take off, and that'll reveal the valve, and then that way you can get the cables on and everything once you slide it on. Alright, so we're getting ready to put this muffler on. There is a notch cut out on the back for the bracket here, so don't tighten up the bracket just yet. Make sure you get all this lined up before you tighten everything down. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get the cables on there, get everything tightened up on the valve, and then I will tighten the muffler bolt last, and then you guys can go on ahead and tighten those up as well. I wouldn't tighten everything all at once. I kind of leave everything loose, so that way you can work the muffler and then adjust it and make sure everything is where it needs to be. All right, so we got the cables and everything connected on the valve, and what you're gonna wanna do is pick yourself up a digital caliper, because there are some measurements in the instructions when you're installing these. So pay attention to the instructions, guys. Don't skip that part, and you will have to reverse these lines. So the silver is gonna be on the bottom and the black's gonna be on the top. Alright guys, so I hope this install video helped you guys out a little bit. If you decide to get this particular exhaust for your R6, I am really digging the way that this thing looks. I like the styling of it. It's the GP style slip-on, if that's what you're looking for, because they make a shorter one. I think 2 different shorter ones that you can get for it. Instructions are straightforward and everything, so definitely pay attention to those. And if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, guys. If you're liking what you're seeing, give your boy a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.